All right, Kipsters, we're going to talk about one way that you can really improve your writing this year. So, anytime you finish everything for your classes and you're in office hours and you think, I have nothing to work on, you could always go into your 6 ELA Google Classroom to find some extra writing work. So, when you are ready in office hours, you can go to your 6 ELA Google Classroom, go to Classwork, and you're going to see Quill writing practice. Each week there will be a new skill, so you're just going to click on the skill for that week on the link, and it's going to take you into Quill. Once you're here, you're going to log in with Google, and that'll use your Google account. Anthony, I'm using your account right now. And the first thing you're going to need to do is allow Quill access to the Google account. So you're going to say allow. And now you have your class right here. KIP 1 Academy 6 ELA. Teacher, Mr. Taylor. Go ahead into there and you're going to see all the activities that you can do for that week. So let's get started on one activity just so we know what kind of skills you're going to be doing. So let's start on the first one. And it's going to take you to a screen that explains a little bit about what you're going to need to do. Each prompt will have instructions, and you just follow those instructions. So let's begin. So you'll notice it says, are you planning anything special for Halloween? But read the instructions carefully. The instructions are rewrite the sentence with the correct capitalization. So underneath, I'm not going to answer the question. I'm going to rewrite it with the right capitalization. Are you planning anything special for Halloween with a capital H? Now, Kipsters, if you make a mistake, let's say I didn't capitalize that H, and I say get feedback, it's going to give me some feedback. It says always capitalize holidays. So I'll do that. Now, what if I make another mistake? Maybe I misspell a word. It's going to tell me check my spelling. So I can go back and look really closely. Did I spell each word right? And add in whatever is missing. Maybe I forgot to put something at the end and I just put a period. It's going to say, check your punctuation. So I need to make sure that I have that question mark just like it shows in the question. And then give feedback. Perfect, I got it right. Moving on to the next question, I have a new sentence that I need to capitalize. So I'm going to write it out. My favorite, actually I'm going to see if I can trick you. My favorite holiday is Halloween. When I hit get feedback, look, always capitalize the first word in the sentence. So what do I need to go back and change? Good, I need to change right here where it says my. And that's good. I'll have 9 questions to do before I finish that activity. When I finish the activity, I can start on the next one if I still have time and just keep going until I run out of time. So this is going to be super helpful in increasing your ability to write really well and professionally. I'm so excited for you to try it.